First thing we need to learn is what is Java. Java is one of the most widely used for more programming language due to its various characteristics. Here are some special features of the Java. Java doesn't depend on any other operating system. That is, program that written under one operating system can be run on any other operating system. Like Java is like a universal translator for programs. When you write a program in Java, it doesn't matter if you're using a Windows computer, a Mac, or a Linux machine. The Java program you create can run on any of these operating systems without needing any changes. This is because Java doesn't depend on the operating system itself. Second one is object-oriented programming language. It is one of the programming strategy which is required to fulfill every project requirement. It has 4 concepts: 1. Inheritance. 2. Abstraction. 3. Encapsulations. 4. Polymorphism. Here's a brief explanation. Object-oriented programming language. It is a programming strategy to efficiently manage code and meet project requirements. It has 4 key concepts. 1. Inheritance. Allows new classes to use properties and methods from existing classes. 2. Abstraction. Simplifies complex systems by showing only essential features. 3. Encapsulation. Bundles data and methods into a single unit and restricts access to protect data. 4. Polymorphism. Lets methods do different things based on the object they act upon. These concepts help in creating organized, reusable, and maintainable code. Third one is portable. Along with Java, we can use any other programming language as a supporting language. Java is flexible and can work alongside other programming languages to support different parts of a project. This means you can use Java with languages like Python, C++, or JavaScript to leverage their specific strengths and make your overall project more powerful and versatile. Fourth one is multi-thread. We can run 2 different parts of a same program parallelly. That is, Java allows running different parts of the same program simultaneously, like having multiple hands working on different tasks at the same time. This makes the program more efficient and responsive. Fifth one is robust. Most of the important things will happen automatically. It means Java handles many critical tasks automatically, such as memory management and error handling, making the program more reliable and less prone to crashes. Sixth one is overloading. One thing doing multiple tasks. In Java, overloading allows one method to perform different tasks based on different inputs, like a tool that can handle various jobs depending on how you use it. Java is being widely used in many applications. Like 1. Standalone applications, example, calculator, notepad. 2. Client-server applications, example, banking, Gmail, Facebook, all social media applications. 3. Web-based applications, example, YouTube, links. 4. Mobile applications, example, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. A set of instructions given to a machine by following syntax of any programming language in called as program. A group of program will make one application. An application is basically machine a communication between human-machine. A software is a type of an application. Every Java program consists of following 5 steps. There are package declaration, import statement, class declaration, main method, printing statement. Now we discuss about class declaration. It is a starting point of a Java program. In Java, a class declaration defines a new class, specifying its name and the attributes and methods it contains. The syntax of the class declaration is access modifier, class, class name. Access modifier. In Java, access modifiers control the visibility and accessibility of classes, methods, and variables. They define who can access them. The main access modifiers are public, accessible from anywhere; private, accessible only within the same class; protected, accessible within the same package and by subclasses; default no modifier, accessible only within the same package. Class. It is a key word which is used to start a program. class name, it is an identifier, impl, public class demo, here public is access modifier and class is a keyword and demo is a class name. In Java we will never write a logic directly inside a class. In order to develop any logic we use main method. Main method. It is defined as heart of Java program, without that program, won't be executed. Syntax is, public static void main string args. Public is an access modifier which indicate main method is freely, accessible, static. It is a keyword which indicate no need of object creation, void. It is a return type of which indicate main is not returning any specific value, main. It is identifier nothing but method name, string args. It is said as string args of an array, which is called as command line arguments. Printing statement. If we want to print any message on the output, then we will use this statement. Syntax, system.out.println. System, it is a predefined class, out, it is predefined object, println, it is a predefined method, main, it is identifier, string args, it is said as string args of an array, which is called as command line arguments, dot, it is an operator which is used for connecting multiple things at one place. Here is the basic programming structure we see. That's the end of today's session. I hope everything has been understood clearly.